Hello everyone, my name is Amol More and welcome to our channel Solution to Blackboard. Now over here we are asked a question: find the domain of fx log of to the base x when the bases are 1 by 4, 1 by 3 and 1 by 2 respectively. Okay, now what are we needed to do? We need to understand a very basic idea of a log inequality. If log of a to the base b is less than c, and if b is less than 1 and if b is greater than 1, then there are two cases. If b is less than 1, then the inequality changes. If b is greater than 1, then the inequality does not change. It means if the base is less than 1, inequality sign would flip. If the base is greater than 1, then the inequality sign would not flip. If it is less than, it will remain less than, and for base less than 1, if it is less than, it will become greater than. Okay, so this basic idea you need to understand. Now even moving further, suppose if you have log of a to the base b, then a should be greater than 0. That is very important. Okay, so these are the two basic ideas we should know. Now moving to this particular question, let us go from inside out. First of all, let us consider this particular part. Log of x to the base 1 by 4 should be greater than 0 because it is in the log of something. Also x should be greater than 0. So first of all, what have we considered? We have considered that this x should be greater than 0, and this is log of something, hence log of x to the base 1 by 4 should be greater than 0. As the base is less than 1, x should be less than 1 by 4 raised to 0. Therefore x should be less than 1. This is the first part and this is the second part. Okay, moving ahead, now this particular part which I am boxing into red is also inside the log of something, so that should also be greater than 1. So therefore log of 1 by 3, log of x to the base 1 by 4 should also be greater than 0. Now this base is less than 1, hence it should also be shifted. When it shifts, the inequality sign flips. Therefore log of x to the base 1 by 4 is less than 1. Again, when this base shifts, the inequality sign flips. So therefore x is greater than 1 by 4. So till now we have gotten x is less than 1, x is greater than 0, and x is greater than 1 by 4. Now inside this square root, this big logarithmic term should be greater than or equal to 0. Hence moving ahead, we can say that inside the square root, if you have anything, so fx should be greater than or equal to 0. Therefore log of 1 by 2 to the base log of 1 by 3 to the base log of x to the base 1 by 4 should be greater than 0. Therefore this half shifts and this is less than 1, hence inequality would flip. So that is half raised to 0. So log of x to the base 1 by 4 to the base 1 by 3 is less than 1. Again this 1 by 3 shifts, so it will be log of x to the base 1 by 4 greater than 1 by 3 raised to 1. Again this base 1 by 4 shifts, hence x is less than 1 by 4 raised to 1 by 3. Okay, so we have gotten many conditions. One of the few conditions is less than 1, one is greater than 0, one is greater than 1 by 4, and one is 1 by 4 raised to 1 by 3. Now let us draw a number line. Now on this number line we will have 0 here, 1 here, and 1 by 4 here, and 1 by 4 raised to 1 by 3 here. You should know that if a is less than b, then when you are cubing when you are cubing, the inequality changes if the cube root or square root is calculated. For example, if you see 0.5 is a number x, and if you see x cube, which is 0.5 square, which will be equal to 0.25. so after squaring, you can see the number is getting smaller. Okay, so this thing happens when the number is lesser than 1. When the number is lesser than 1, cube root will be greater. For example, you can see 1 by 4 is 0.25 and 1 by 4 raised to 1 by 3 comes out to be 0.62 approximately. So you can see 1 by 4 raised to 1 by 3 is greater. So between 0 to 1, the inequalities work in a different manner. So our x should be greater than 0, our x should be lesser than 1, our x should be greater than 1 by 4, and our x should be lesser than 1 by 4 raised to 1 by 3. As you can see, I have drawn all the inequalities. Now let us draw the common part with the red graph. So you can see this is the common part. Therefore, x belongs to 1 by 4 to 1 by 4 raised to 1 by 3. So the correct answer to this particular question, as we can say, is 1 by 4 to 1 by 4 raised to 1 by 3. Thank you for watching the video, guys, and do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our